Hey y'all, so we wanted to share with you a song that we had wrote. I wrote the lyrics to it and Haley actually wrote the melody. The other day she was playing on the piano, and she never plays on the piano. Like Bubba plays on the piano. Haley has never really, I don't even know.
Care for instruments.
Yeah, I guess she just hasn't I didn't even know she knew chords, but she was playing a melody and it was really pretty. And I saw the back of her shirt when I was folding laundry while she was playing, and it said, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." And I remember just, bowing my head for a second and saying, "Lord, just bless her." I didn't even know she knew chords, so it was kind of cool to hear her do that. And then I was washing dishes, and I had a line or a lyric come to me, and it was "Let It Rain." And I was like, "Haley, that's really pretty. We could probably, I could probably write to this." And so that's what we did. I sat down, and the Lord just kind of slowly started bringing me different things, and we finished it up today, and we want to share it with y'all.
Ready?